Hello, so we're currently here in 𝗢𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 Island Resort here in Samal Island, Davao. So I'll be showing you our deluxe room in this resort. Okay. Actually, the room has its own fence and it has a small gate and there's a foot wash. Okay. Then there's like a space in here where you can put your wet clothes. Okay. Then let's go inside the room. By the way, the room comes with a dining set. This is not a dinette set because it's quite huge. Okay. So the veranda comes with a dining set. Then let's check out the room. By the way, our room is 20A. So let's go inside. So here's our room here in 𝗢𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 Island Resort. I'm not sure if this is a queen size bed, but it looks like a queen size bed. Okay. Then the room comes with a cabinet, of course, a dresser, then a vanity area that also serves as a work area. Then there's an LCD TV with cable channels. Then the room is of course air conditioned. Okay. So here is our room in 𝗢𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 Island Resort. Okay. By the way, there's also a safe deposit box if you have valuables. And there are 2 complimentary bottled water. Okay, let's check out the toilet and bath. Okay, so the toilet and bath is very clean. And I suppose this comes with a hot and cold shower. There's a flower in the toilet bowl. And of course, it comes with the basic toiletries with 𝗢𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 Island branding. Okay. So here are more toiletries. So overall, I like the room. It has this Filipino modern theme with banig walls in here. By the way, there's also an intercom. So if you need something, you can just use this one and it will connect you to the front desk. So here's our room here in 𝗢𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 Island Resort, Samal Island, Davao. Okay? So I'm giving you a huge discount if you book on my link in the description box below. If you want to stay here in 𝗢𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗙 Davao. So thank you for watching. Enjoy your vacation.